We'll start in 3, 2, 1, dive!
Match number 8 of the playoffs underway, and the Red Alliance making a quick impression on the reef. One coral up for red, one coral up for blue, but 1540, the Flaming Chickens, add a second coral to the upper top part of the reef. Make that 3 coral. Over on the blue side, Cardinal Dynamics, just before taking control of the robot, picked up one more piece of coral and put it up on L4. Meanwhile, they cycle to the center of the field and place that algae up on the barge. Cert over on the blue side of the field, lining up to the reef. Looks like they might be having some driving issues, but we'll see if they can come back from that in a moment. And Cert goes over a piece of algae, unfazed though, returns to their human player, where they now have a piece of coral in hand, trying to line up to the reef alongside their alliance partners, Cardinal Dynamics. But currently, Spartan Robotics sitting in front of that human player station, and they're going to try to slow down the cycles of Cardinal as much as they possibly can. They're currently being very effective, but Cardinal still able to get all the way to their human player. Now, if that coral can just get in their robot, and it does, and they return to the reef. Over on the red side of the field, 1540, the Flaming Chickens quickly cycling coral off of the ground, putting it up on the 3rd level of that reef, and the Red Alliance 4th level is all complete. They are currently being defended by 1595, the Dragons, who are sitting in front of the human player station. They now cycle to the other side, where 1540, the Flaming Chickens, is trying to grab some coral from, but 1540 has a ground intake, so they are unfazed by the defense at the moment. Dragons understand this and return over to the other side human player, where they will try to defend against the home team, Error Code 0, and 1595, the Dragons are stuck in front of the red driver station. Over on the blue side of the field, Cardinal, elevator up, elevator down, and in that time they score an L4, leaving only 2 4th levels remaining on the blue reef. Spartan Robotics still putting in expert defense over on the blue side of the field, putting themselves between Cardinal and the human player station. Cert lines up and places an L2 as we enter the endgame period, and we see Error Code 0 up in the air, having climbed successfully for this match. Chickens join them in the barge zone, lining up with their climber deployed, trying to get it settled inside the robot, but it seems like it's stuck on the intake. And we end the match with only Error Code 0 up in the air. Preliminary score is 125. Walking away from this match 139 to 112. The Red Alliance taking away Alliance 6 score in coral, in addition to their barge point.